Hey everyone, welcome to our video. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at cordless vacuum cleaners. Have you ever wondered just how good these innovative cleaning tools are? Well, you're about to find out. Let's jump right in and explore the world of cordless vacuum cleaners. Please check the description link, I will provide details information. Overview of cordless vacuum cleaners. Cordless vacuum cleaners have revolutionized the way we clean our homes. Gone are the days of tangled cords and limited mobility. These sleek and versatile machines offer a new level of convenience and efficiency. But just how good are they? Let's find out. Performance and suction power. One of the most important factors to consider when evaluating a cordless vacuum cleaner is its performance and suction power. These machines come equipped with powerful motors and advanced technology, allowing them to tackle various types of debris with ease. Whether it's pet hair, dust, or larger particles, cordless vacuums deliver impressive results. Maneuverability and portability. Another significant advantage of cordless vacuum cleaners is their maneuverability and portability. With no cords to hold you back, you can effortlessly navigate through your entire home, reaching even the most hard-to-access areas. Additionally, their lightweight design makes them easy to carry around, allowing you to clean multiple rooms or even your car without any hassle. Battery life and charging. Battery life is a crucial aspect to consider when evaluating cordless vacuums. Thanks to advancements in battery technology, many models now offer extended runtimes, allowing you to clean larger areas without interruptions. Additionally, charging these devices is a breeze, with options such as wall-mounted docks or convenient charging stations. No more worrying about running out of power. Versatility and attachments. Cordless vacuum cleaners are not just limited to cleaning floors. Many models come with a range of attachments and accessories, making them highly versatile. From handheld modes for above-floor cleaning to specialized brushes for upholstery or crevices, these machines adapt to various cleaning tasks, ensuring a thorough and efficient clean throughout your home. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.